Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your message notification on your Shein app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do is you just go down here, you click here on me here on down, then it's going to take you here in this window here. Then you go up, you will click here on this sign here on up, then it's going to take you here in this settings here or this window, and you just click here on contact preferences. Then it's going to take you here in this window, then you just click here on your message notifications, then it's going to take you here, you click here on your message notifications here, then you just click here and it's going to take you here in this window, you click here on show notifications here in this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's on no. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.